Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a custom 404 error page using the WordPress block editor. A 404 error page is what users see when they try to access a web page that doesn't exist on your website. It's important to create a custom 404 error page to provide a better user experience and guide users back to your website. Today, we will show you how to create a custom 404 error page using the WordPress block editor, so let's get started. First, let's access the WordPress dashboard. From here, we can create a custom 404 error page using the block editor. Go to your WordPress dashboard by logging into your website and go to the Appearance and Editor link on the top left corner of the screen. Here you can see the editor of your website. Now click on the Templates option, as you can see here. After that, click on the 404 option. Now you will see a default 404 error page. This page template comes with your theme as a default 404 error page. To edit this page, simply click on the page like this. Now you can create a custom 404 error page as per your need and desire. To create your own style, you can remove all these pre-made blocks and can create a new 404 page. Let's create a new 404 page. Just remove all these pre-made designs so that we can create a fresh new page. You can also follow us to create the same page as we are going to create, or you can just create a new one as per your design. You can use the block editor's various blocks to add text, images, videos, and other media to your page. You can also use the heading block to create a prominent heading that says 404 page not found, or something similar to let users know they've reached an error page. Once you've added the content you want, you can also customize the design of your 404 error page using the block editor's styling options. You can change the font, colors, and other design elements to match your website's branding and style. Don't forget to include a clear call to action on your 404 error page, such as a link to your home page or a search bar to help users find what they're looking for. You can use the button block or the search block to create these elements. Once you're satisfied with your custom 404 error page, you can save and publish it. Click on the Save button on the top right corner of the screen to make your 404 error page live on your website. So this is how your custom 404 error page will appear on your website. I hope this video helps you to create a custom 404 error page using the WordPress block editor. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. I'm Aman and will catch you in the next one. Thanks. You have a nice day.